Hi, my name is Jemima. Welcome to the Dignited channel. Today, I want to show you how you can remove a background in an image using Microsoft Word. Alright, let's dive right into it. Okay, open Microsoft Word, and in this tutorial we're using 2019. Insert the image whose background you want to remove. So we're going to use this image. You'll notice the tab for picture is going to be open. So we'll also expand our image so we can have better control over it. You go and click on remove background. Microsoft will automatically try to pick the background you want to remove. So in this case, you'd see it hasn't done it perfectly, so we need to fine tune it. So you go to areas you want to keep that had been marked for removal. Use your pencil to draw around, and you would see Microsoft will be including those parts. Make sure you get every corner and every crevice that had been missed previously. And next, some other areas have been added that we don't need, so we'll go to mark areas to remove, and using the pencil we'll draw around them again. And once you have everything that you want, the next thing you're going to do is go and keep the changes that you've made. When you keep the changes, you'll see that the background has totally been removed, and so we're going to save this so we can open it in another application. When you save this picture, we don't want to save this in Microsoft Word, so we will not save it. And now we're going to open the picture and see that the background has been removed. So hope this tip was helpful. If you liked it, please give us a like and a subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tech videos. See you in the next one.